Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Aziz. I'm from Uzbekistan, currently living in the Arizona state. I just want to leave one quick information for you guys about the Quran Reading Center, specifically about the Muallim Muhammad Uthman, is known as Teacher Uthman. Alright, he has the deep knowledge of the Quran, the Tajweed, and the book sitting on my hand. He's gonna catch you guys from the any level that you are, and he's gonna raise you until you will be the professional reader, like advanced level. He's gonna make sure that he's on the time, and he's gonna make sure that you will be the professional reader of the book, of Quran. And just feel free to sign the free trial with the Quran Reading Center and start making your progress. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.